Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to write a job description. We're going to be writing a job description for a project manager within a company that implements software. Let's take a basic prompt initially and see what it outputs. Here you can see that I've written the prompt. Please can you draft a job description for a project manager within a software company? Let's see what it gives you. It's given us a short about us section. We didn't really give it any information about what to include, but it's made up some key responsibilities, which are not bad, but could be better. It's told you qualifications and skills, and actually you've not defined that for them. It's told you how to apply, etc. Now, let's look at rewriting a prompt, giving it more information. So we're saying that we want it to be detailed and engaging. We're using context. We're talking about the company culture, team structure, current challenges, providing role-specific information. We're giving examples of responsibilities and examples of qualifications. We're talking about the tone and outcome we want. So let's see what it's given. It's given more information about the company, about the role, overview. Again, similar responsibilities, but they could be optimized here. Required qualifications. Well, again, within this initial prompt here, you could have given the required qualifications if you have them. Desired skills. Now, I would always suggest put the competitive salary details in. Don't just say a competitive salary. And we've told it how to apply. But bearing in mind, you can tweak the fields that are most appropriate. If you wanted to, you could tweak the culture, responsibilities, etc. We could say to it, please provide more responsibilities in greater detail, as an example. And so you can see here, it's actually broken them down. If you have a vague idea of what those responsibilities are, I would suggest that you initially put them into the prompt up here in this section. It is all about perfecting the prompts. I guess what I'm trying to say is that ChatGPT does a lot of the heavy lifting and it gives you a great starting point. But what you want to be doing as a HR professional is to structure those prompts for optimal performance, which is what I'm going to be covering in my new AI Essentials course. And there is a prompt library within that course that can help you optimize and structure your prompts. Now, what you could do, if you are interested, is you could ask ChatGPT to provide examples of well-written job descriptions for project managers in software companies. Or you could ask it to measure the effectiveness of that job description prompt in itself. I hope you've found today helpful, and I'd love to know what prompt example you'd love me to cover next. Have a great day.